So I was scrolling Twitter as usual and I came upon this. Devin is an autonomous agent that solves engineering tasks through the use of its own shell, code editor and web browser. Okay, looks interesting. Let's watch a little bit of the video together.
Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, it builds the whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line, its own code editor, and even its own browser. In this case, Devin decides to use the browser to pull up API documentation so that it can read up and learn how to plug into each of these APIs.
So this guy can plan, fix its own code, and even deploy the app. What does this mean? Look, I'd be ignorant if I said that software engineering isn't changing. It is. I have been in the industry for about 2 years now. My opinion might not be as relevant as other people's with more experience. But the skills that I'm working on the hardest at the moment are creativity and problem solving. Also the soft skills. Developing software requires a lot of collaboration, which AI is not yet really capable to do. And I think this will remain the strong point of humans. Don't get me wrong, I am feeling a bit uneasy about this too, but we can't stop the technology from developing. We'll have to adapt and figure out new strong points to build our skill upon. You know, in one sort of way, totally personal opinion, not so long ago, when the internet didn't exist, we didn't have jobs like web developers, YouTubers, social media managers, and so on. Today, these professions are very sought after. I think AI will have a similar effect in general. We can't really imagine at the moment what jobs will it create, but knowing code, understanding how things work and how are they made, will always be a very important asset to have. The future is uncertain, but I stay optimistic and open to change, to adapt, as we are entering an era where flexibility is key. About flexibility, check out how I managed to learn a programming language in 1 day, and how I survived the current job market. Bye bye.